Hello guys, this is Abhishek Rajput and welcome to VR Fitness. Today we'll talk about how to reduce your side fat and get rid of your love handles.
Side plank, knee to elbow crunch. In this, our body will be in side plank position. साइड प्लैंक पोजीशन में हमारा अपर बॉडी एंड लोअर बॉडी बोथ स्ट्रेट पोजीशन में रहते हैं. इन दिस विल ब्रिंग आवर एल्बो एंड नीज क्लोजर टू ईच अदर, जिससे हमारे लेफ्ट साइड के ऑब्लिक्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड रिलैक्स करेंगे. बिगिनर्स विल डू 5 repetitions 3 times from each leg. After completing the set, we'll switch side and do the same set from the other side as well. As you can see, the red portion is the area which is given the full strain due to this exercise, which include both our internal and external obliques. The intermediate will do 12 repetitions from each leg and do 3 sets from both the sides. And the advanced people will do 15 repetitions from each leg and perform 4 sets from both sides. Oblique toe touch. In this, we'll simply lie down and fold our knees and then try to touch our toes. While doing so, we'll try to give full strain on our sides. We'll perform this exercise very slowly, जिससे हम पूरा strain अपने sides पे दे सकें. As you can see in image 1, we are contracting our side muscle, and in image 2 you can see that we are giving the stretch to the muscle. In this, we are activating both our abdominal and sides. The beginner will perform 3 sets and the rep ranges will be 20. The intermediate people will increase their rep ranges to 40 and perform the same amount of set 3. The advanced people will increase their sets as well as rep ranges. They will perform 4 sets and the rep ranges will be 50. Spiderman plank. In this, we are in push-up plank hold position. इसमें हमारी back and arms both straight रहेंगी. We'll bring our knees closer to the elbow, which will contract our side muscle. Our abdominal part is getting activated because we are in push-up plank hold position. The beginner will perform 3 sets and the rep ranges will be 20. The intermediate will perform 3 sets and the rep ranges will be 30. When we bring knees closer to the elbow, the whole strain is on our sides. The advanced people will perform 3 sets and the rep ranges will be 40.